Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert two pictures side by side in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. This video now you can see insert two pictures side by side. Now going to the insert mode option, then click. Now click for picture option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture, then select from multiple picture and two picture, then select, then click for insert option. Now move the picture, then first picture from resize, and second picture resize. That is. Now you can see insert two pictures side by side in publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video.